The world of classic SUVs with a detailed look at the 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, meticulously restored by the FJ company. This iconic vehicle combines vintage charm with modern upgrades, making it a perfect blend of old-school ruggedness and contemporary comfort. Let's explore what makes this Land Cruiser a standout in the world of classic cars. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is powered by the reliable Toyota 2F engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The Old Man MU suspension system provides a smooth and comfortable ride, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails. Front disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Exterior design. The 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 by the FJ company boasts a stunning beige 464 exterior that captures the essence of its era while adding a touch of elegance. The hardtop body style not only enhances its classic look but also provides durability and protection. The 15-inch Toyota steel wheels with hubcaps and 31-inch all-terrain BF Goodrich tires ensure that this Land Cruiser is ready for any adventure, whether on or off the road. One of the standout features of this restoration is the Colorado bumper by the FJ company, equipped with a Warn Zeon 8 winch. This addition not only enhances the vehicle's rugged appearance, but also provides practical functionality for off-road enthusiasts. The classic headlights, PIAA 6-inch LED fog lights, and PIAA 3-inch LED rear utility light ensure excellent visibility in all conditions, making this Land Cruiser as practical as it is stylish. Step inside the FJ40 and you'll be greeted by a luxurious honey leather interior. The sport seats by Corbeau offer both comfort and support, making long drives enjoyable. The vintage air climate control system ensures that the cabin remains comfortable in all weather conditions, while the vintage-looking digital radio and premium sound system provide entertainment on the go. With iPhone and Bluetooth compatibility, you can stay connected and enjoy your favorite tunes while cruising in style. The standard center console and classic cluster, kilometers per hour, add to the vehicle's nostalgic charm, while the Raptor bedliner provides durability and protection for the cargo area. Every detail of the interior has been carefully considered to offer a blend of classic aesthetics and modern convenience.